how to add Google Sheets to Google Calendar. So open a tab and go to Zapier.com. So before you can continue, make sure to create your own Zapier account. Now once you're done creating, you will see this page, and on the left portion of your screen, click this Create button and then select Zaps. Now click this button trigger, and then in this part here, you will see this option Google Sheets. So if you don't see this option, you can use this search bar and search for Google Sheets. And then under Event, you can click this drop down arrow button and select an event. So for this, I will be using this option, New Spreadsheet Row, and then click Continue. Click this Continue button. So before we move further, we'll open the Google Sheets and the spreadsheet that I want to use. So as you can see in my spreadsheet, I have 5 columns, one for summary, one for description, location, start time, and end time. So these are the data that are needed. So going back to the Zapier website, under spreadsheet, you can click this drop down arrow button and select your spreadsheet. So the spreadsheet that I'm using is entitled 1. So I will select this option. And then under worksheet, you can also click this drop down arrow button and then select sheet 1. Click continue and then click this button test trigger. So now we can click this button continue with selected record. So in this tab, you will select Google Calendar. So if you don't see this option Google Calendar, you can use the search bar and search for Google Calendar. And then under event, click this drop down arrow button and select your event. For this, I'll be choosing this create detailed event. And then click continue. Now click this button sign in. And then same as before, select the Gmail account that you're currently using. Then click allow. Then click continue. So under calendar, you can click this drop down arrow button and select the calendar that you want to use. So under summary, select summary. Under description, select description. Under location, select location. And under start date and time, select start time. Under end date and time, select end time. After this, you can scroll down and click continue. Click this button test step and then click publish. And so that is how you export Google Calendar to Google Sheets. Thank you and have a great day.